Park Assist Pro not only detects suitably sized parking spaces for you, it can also park your car. Activate Park Assist and up to a speed of 25 miles per hour, it uses the car's field sensors to search for appropriate parallel parking spots. Up to a speed of 12 miles per hour, it also detects parking bays. Once you've selected a space, indicate in the direction in which you wish to park. Come to a stop and press Start to begin the parking process. Park Assist now carries out the maneuver for you. You simply monitor the process and, if necessary, intervene by braking. Even monitoring is made easy with both front and rear view cameras, along with graphics that track movement and distances. Park Assist Pro also helps with failed parking maneuvers. Whether you're entering or leaving a space, you can hand the process over at any stage and Park Assist Pro will complete it for you. It's the perfect solution when faced with a tight spot to get in or out of, especially as you can also control the process remotely from your smartphone. This is ideal for when a space is so tight it's difficult to enter your car. First, ensure you have the Park Assist Pro app installed on your smartphone. Start the engine by holding the button until the circle around it completes. Then, select which maneuver you wish to deploy, for example, forwards parallel right. Then, press and hold the pull-out button. Your smartphone will display the path your car is taking throughout the maneuver, ensuring clearance of any nearby obstacles and other parked cars. Once the car is clear of the space and you have room to get in, simply release the button, jump in the driver's seat, and away you go. As well as exiting a space, you can also park your car via the app. It really is parking made easy with Volkswagen Park Assist Pro.